This tutorial is going to focus on adding posts to your new Barron blog. You want to sign into your blog, and if you haven't followed the other tutorials on how to set up your blog, please check out some of the other tutorials on setting the themes and the widgets and the link section and additional pages. This is the last tutorial specifically on how to get up and running with your new Barron blog by creating posts. Sign into your blog, click on dashboard, and then you'll again see your dashboard. You want to scroll to the top. Yours might look a little different, but this posts will be at the top of yours. You want to click on posts. There'll be a post sitting in there already that was created, probably called Hello World, for example. And you can hover over it and click on edit and edit it to be your first post. Your first post can say something like, "Welcome to my new Barron blog," or "Welcome to Mr. Zimmerman's Barron blog. Please check back shortly for updates." But here we're going to concentrate on creating a new post. These are posts that I have in right now. Notice that I can hover over any of these posts and I'm able to edit them. Notice also that I can see particularly what categories or which categories each one of these blog posts is associated with. For now, we're going to click on Add New. The first thing you need to do is enter the title of your post. So it might be homework, for example. And then what you want to do in the next window down, if your window is all scrunched in, by the way, and you can't see all of these tools here, go to Screen Options, click on number 1 of columns, and then it'll move to show you exactly what I have here. Now, we can click in this post, and this is very much the same toolbar as when we created static pages. But remember now, this is the main post to your blog, so it'll be post after post after post on your blog. You can give examples of homework assignments. For example, you can type words in there. Bold, italicize, your number palette, your bullets, your justification. If I want to insert a link, I'll copy it or highlight it and click on the link, and then I can insert a link and make it open up into a new window, for example. I can spell check. I can use headers if I want to, but I generally recommend not to, as sometimes I've seen problems with that. You can underline. You can change the color of your font, and you don't have to worry about the rest of these tools. This is importing from text and importing pasting from Word that doesn't always work crystal clear. I recommend if you're using something from Word that you just copy and paste it in this window. After you have the post exactly the way you want it, what you want to do is scroll down to excerpt. An excerpt is what this post is about. So I might just type in, click on the title of the post in order to see the entire post. When somebody clicks on your categories and they first see the excerpts of every post, they would then click on the title to see the full post. Or you can just leave excerpt blank. You don't have to necessarily fill that in. The next thing that you want to do is scroll down to where you can see categories. This is by far the most important step for every single post. You need to categorize your posts so that when someone comes to your blog, remember they're going to see post after post after post, and they need to be able to filter through all of these posts. So if they would click on homework, they're going to see all your homework posts. If they click on upcoming events, they'll see all your upcoming events. If they click on newsletters, they'll see all your newsletters. Your categories is what helps filter your blog. So I would type in here, I would click on add new category and type in homework, for example. Add new category, and it automatically checks it as a new category. The thing that we don't want to see is uncategorized come up. If uncategorized comes up on your categories widget on your blog, that means you forgot to categorize a particular post, which if you leave your post uncategorized, that's not going to help anybody sift through all the information on your post. You might have a lot of posts after time, and they need to sift through those. After you choose the category, the last thing you're going to do is click on Publish. And now you will see your first post or your new post that you added to your Barron blog. Enjoy your day.